वेलकम टू ऑल कैड वर्ल्ड। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक लूडो डाइस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कोई भी प्लान ले लीजिए, जस्ट लाइक टॉप प्लान। नाउ स्केच, टेक अ सेंटर रेक्टेंगल, स्मॉल डायमेंशन से 20 बाय 20। क्योंकि डाइस क्यूब होता है इसीलिए हम स्क्वायर के थ्रू क्यूब बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे। एग्जिट, एक्सट्रूड बॉस बेस। नाउ extrude 20 mm. Now cube is ready. Let's give it number or provide circles. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Select a face, smart dimension. Select a face, circle, draw 3 circle. Select make equal, smart dimension, provide 3 mm. Three, 6 mm. Smart dimension 6 mm. Select this and this 6 mm. Difference between each circle is 5 mm. Now take a line, draw center to center. Select line, make it construction line. Now select all 3 circles and mirror it about the center line. About the center line. Click OK. Exit sketch. Now feature, go to extrude boss base. Now extrude it to 1 mm. Now draw one by one. Select face, sketch, take a circle, draw a center. Take a center rectangle, draw dimension 10 by 10. Now again take circle and draw one by one. Select all circle after pressing Ctrl or hold Ctrl. Now make them equal. Click OK. Smart dimension 3 mm. Select rectangle or square. Make it construction line. Exit sketch. Extrude boss base by 1 mm. Another face, sketch. Take a line. Now draw circle. Make all them equal. Click OK. Dimension 3 mm. .28 by 4. 28.28 by 4. Select line for construction. OK. Select line. Make it construction line. Hit OK. Exit sketch. Extrude boss base by 1 mm. Press OK. Now take the another face one by one. अब हमें यहाँ पे एक बात पता होनी चाहिए, या फिर हम देखें कि जो 6 वाला कॉर्नर रहता है, फेस रहता है, उसके जस्ट ऑपोजिट में 1 होता है. Now sketch, select face sketch, take a circle and draw smart dimension 3 mm. From here to here 10 mm. Draw it in center 10 mm. Press OK. Exit sketch. Extrude boss base 1 mm. Now take another face. 2 behind 5. Select line. This one. Line. Make it construction line. Take circle. Draw 2 circle on the line. Select both and make it equal. Smart dimension 3 mm dia. Smart dimension again. Select this one and this point. Give 28.28 by 3. by 3. Now exit sketch. Extrude boss base. Extrude by 1 mm. Press OK. Now we can see that 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 all are done. Select the leftover surface or face. Sketch. Take a center rectangle. Smart dimension from here to here. 5 mm. From here to here 5 mm. This one 10 mm. And this side also 10 mm. Or we can do another thing, just like give dimension to 1, 10 mm, and select this one and this one, make equal. Press OK. Take circle. Select them all. Make equal. Press OK. Smart dimension 3 mm. Select circle, rectangle, center rectangle. Make it construction. Extrude. Now cube is ready. Then go to appearance. Go to appearance, color, plastic or metal, whatever you want, rubber, glass, solid. I go to plastic. I choose plastic. Many kind of plastics, many colors available. Soft touch. Now select all the 6 numbers. Go to appearance, plastic, high gloss and white. Press OK. Now cube is ready. We can do some more things with this. Let's take a fillet. Select this one, this one, this one, all the sides. Choose fillet radius 1 mm. Or less than 1 mm. It is looking quite good. Thanks for all. Subscribe, share, like for more videos like that. Thanks to all for watching my video.